Hi everyone, I am back with the brand growth idea of this week, and today we are going to talk about friendships. Yes, how your brand can be a friendly brand and how it can really trigger off a very positive perception, amazing brand recall, and strong customer connect by just being a friendly brand. Brian Chesky, the director of Airbnb, recently tweeted that Airbnb is going to offer a stay across the globe to almost 20,000 Afghanistan refugees who are trying to, restart and resettle their lives. He further tweeted that we hope the community members of Airbnb will not only offer a safe nest but also a welcome home. Now we all might think that okay, this is some marketing proposition or a promotional agenda, but at the same time, see what they are doing. Of course, they are offering a temporary home, but that gives lot of courage and help to 20,000 people. Whatever the number of people they are offering in their limits, the brand is going to have amazing positive recall. Imagine the 20,000 lives that they are going to change by assisting them in these chaotic times of their life. Helping a brand is very simple. We cannot say that it is always going to be very huge investments or it asks for a lot of money, but it is also about stretching yourself, going out of the way, standing out, and creating a space where you come across as a friend, not as a mere service provider who is there for generating revenue or to get benefits out of what you're doing. There are a lot of examples, I'm sure you can also recall it with me. When we go out to a restaurant or a hospital and somebody offers help with a child, we always remember and recall that particular incident as a kid-friendly brand. There are brands which are very senior friendly, like especially the people who are providing the services, be it the insurance sector or the hospitality or the healthcare people. So the way they attend the senior people always leave a mark on our minds, and it helps us remember that this particular brand did so good with so and so senior person. So there are brands which are senior friendly, kids friendly, student friendly brands that offer a lot of assistance and help to the students who are studying. You can claim that just by uploading your enrollment cards or your admission cards, right? So they are student friendly brands. Then we all know about the eco friendly and the environment friendly brands, right? So the brands who are going out of the way and helping people or helping make this world a better place to live in always gain lot of recall. And why that happens? Because you create a very positive perception around your brand that goes for a better recall. It instantly builds a very strong emotional connect with the audiences, because a person who is going through some chaos and gets a help, that too, which is a friendly help, always help people, strengthen the bonds with others. So that certainly leads to a very positive brand recall as well. There is an emotional connect. It also, in the present digital world, the social media world, it also leads to a lot of user generated content, and this content is something which is scoring by itself, the user generated content, because when a person feels so strongly about something, they instantly react to it and they talk about their experience with a brand. So you are getting a lot of user generated content. Now, coming to the base reason why I thought that I need to share this and why I'm talking about it, because we have been trying this, with a lot of brands, not just we offering a help as a agency, but with the fellow brands that we've been managing as an agency, and we've been doing things, small little things, but they go a long, long way. It could be as simple as writing a handwritten note, which is a thing of past. We are all living in the world of emails. So if you are writing a handwritten note to one of your client or to a segment of your client, you will see the bond strengthens and the a story goes multifold, in their mind. So we are not here to talk about the story that you can create out of it, but the story that you create as a brand-customer relationship, which is very powerful. It could be as simple as doing, ask me anything session and making people feel that you are a very appealing, approachable and comfortable brand. Not many people do it, but it is very important. The moment I feel comfortable as a customer interacting with your brand, that is the moment you have won my trust and I'm all there to take your services and to actually create a mutually beneficial growth platform for my business because I trust you as a service provider. Now, coming to why I think being a friendly brand offers a lot of help to your brand growth and helps you create a positive image, builds a brand perception, amazing client recall, strengthens the relationship of customer and the brand. Why I think so strongly about it is because we've been trying this with a lot of our brands, a lot of our clients, and the results have been tremendously good. To give you some example, sending a book to your audiences who've been coming to you and struggling to, find sense out of whatever processes you are talking about. It could be me talking about branding, or if you are a financial advisor or a distributor or a personal finance expert and you are trying to explain the importance of personal finance. So everybody understands the importance of money management, but they find it has too much to absorb. So send them a subscription, send them a book, simplify the process for them. Apparently, the next thing which I'm going to share about is like we all have, actually sailed through 2020, and through this pandemic, we all have come across stronger. But then there was a time where it was a lot of mental chaos and confusion for one and all. So arrange workshops and talk about things that people have been struggling with and offer help because you care for them. So it shows that you care. It could be something about mental wellness. It could be something about nutrition and sleep. It could be something about strengthening, the core while at home, because we all have been facing these unannounced lockdown and everybody was going through a chaos. So do those workshops, create an Ask Me Anything kind of sessions with the experts who can really offer help on certain grounds. So be that brand who is there, who senses out what is happening in the surroundings and is there to offer help to their clients, to their customers, and as well as to their stakeholders. Being a friendly brand also leverages your employer brand because the people who feel that sense of belongingness feel good about being associated with a brand that cares for people, that is informed, that is aware of the surroundings and the environment, and that believes in taking action. So see how you can be a friendly brand by action, not just by messaging, because the very essence of being a friendly brand is when you create a relationship, when you embark on, building that trust by action, is a very simple and kind process rather than creating lot of emotional imagery around your brand messaging, design, graphics or whatever. But when you do it, people feel it straight away. So it is not something that you are doing it, that you are saying that you do and you are not doing it, but it is rather the other way around. You are doing it, you are making people feel special, you are simplifying things for them, and that goes really long way. So try to be a friendly brand, find your niche and on how you can be a friendly brand, how you can offer help, how you can just be a caring brand and show that you care and get to it. If you struggle with a lot of ideas about being friendly or how to be friend, in what areas to be friend with your audiences, write to us, comment, leave a comment here, and me or my team will get in touch with you. Until then, take care, stay safe, happy branding.